Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am going to do the portion of my face with you guys today. I'm going to do my eyes and my cheeks. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I already did my base makeup. I just need to get some color on my face. How are y'all doing? I'm excited because I'm gonna use a PR palette today that I got. It's not my first PR, but it's, I want to say like my 5th PR, but it's the first time I've gotten anything from this company, so I am excited about that. I think I'm getting a cold. It's not the other C word. I'm using my e.l.f. Putty Blush. I do like this. It's just, I feel like I really have to dig in there to get it. And it escalates so quickly, so like it'll be white, or not white, but my skin color, and then it goes to like orange very, very quickly. I'm using Wanderess Beauty. Okay, so the PR that I got is from Sweet Palette Cosmetics, and it's the chocolate shell ice cream palette. And this is super cute. I cannot open it. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna use this today, and we are gonna see, we're gonna see how it works. Why not? Let's just see. I'm gonna put some of my putty eye primer on. And kind of cancel out any lines on my lid. So I'm gonna test this palette out with you guys. And I'm gonna use my new brushes, which I super duper love, from Refer. I've talked about these a couple of times now. My friend Rowan from Alex Makeup Talk on Instagram, and she's also the owner of Betchy Beauty Blends, told me about this little sale, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So I am going to go into this red shade first. We'll see how pigmented it is, and hopefully it's not patchy or anything. You know, reds are really hard to formulate without making them look pink. So I'm hoping that this red is a true red and not a pinky red. Because once you go to blend a red out, it tends to look really pink. So I'm gonna see what we get here. I feel like the edges will look pink, but this is a pretty good red color. I mean, it's not necessarily, I don't know, what do you think? Does it look pink to you guys or red? Because this is red in the pan. This is red. And it's just a little bit hard to formulate, like I said, reds. So let's see, I've got, so I think I'm gonna go into this brown color. And I'm going to put that is pretty powdery. All right, so that is really pigmented, really pigmented. So I am gonna go into my blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and try to blend this out some. Okay, so that is like really pigmented. I'm gonna go back into the red, and I'm gonna have to clean this brush before I use them again. Okay, so I am going to get as much of that red off of there as I can. And I'm gonna go into here. So this is that champagne color. All right, I need to I don't think I expected this to be so pigmented. I'm super excited that it is so pigmented. All right, so what do I want to do now, guys? I think I'm going to take this referral brush, and I'm gonna go into this blue shade right here. So this is that blue shimmer, and it's almost more of a satin. So I'm going to, if I can find my spray, which is, I need to clean my table. If you guys saw it, you would like shit your pants. It's so disorganized right now. And like, I am not a disorganized person, but this shit is like everywhere. All right, I'm gonna go. I don't even know, guys. Okay, So I don't know what to do now. I probably should have just did the red all the way across. I kind of pulled myself into a corner and I don't know what to do. So I am going to go into some flakes, but I'm going to put some glitter glue on. Gonna put some glitter glue on my eyes first. I've got this little flat shader brush. I'm going to put some glitter glue right on my lid. And so I'm going to use Sparks Fly from my collab with Copaceticcosmetics. And I'm going to put this over that glue. So this is one of the ways to use their their flakies. So it sticks really well to look at how beautiful that is though. That is the flaky. It's so beautiful. I can't even. If you saw it in person, you would be like shitting your pants because it's so beautiful. Okay, other side. So if you've never used these glitter flakies from, well, they're not glitter. If you've never used these flakies from Copacetic, like, you definitely need to try it. They have a really good formula, and these flakies are so pretty. I'm gonna go and put this little glitter brush back. I'm gonna go back into that red shade in the Sweet palette. And I'm gonna overlap that with that is where we're at. I am done with the shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and I still need to put something in my inner corner. What do I want to put in my inner corner? Let's see. Let's try this green here. Okay, now my crazy ass eyes are done. I don't know how I got this far, but this is where we're at. It is what it is. It's different, and I'm cool with it. It looks like, I don't know. It looks like something threw up on my face. So, that's okay though. I'm okay with it. I'm not complaining. I'm happy with it. Alright, so I'm gonna do mascara. Actually, I think I'm gonna do green in my waterline. some highlight on. I think I'm going to go into Glam Light. I'm going to do the gold one just to kind of match a little bit with the eyeball. I need to be done already. I've been doing this for far too long. All right, this is the finished look. What do you think? Please do me a favor, go follow me over on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of you guys being here with me. Please like this video or dislike it. Either way, it helps me out. Comment down below. Do you like this look? I know it's a little bit out there, but I mean, can't be, I don't know. I think it looks pretty. It's different. I'm happy with it. So, yeah. So please do me a favor and do all those things, and I'll talk to you soon.